because if you do, then you must have seen her. Meet Ms. Soumya Singh, a software engineer, an educator, and a content creator. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Gauri.
So, ma'am, before we dive in, if you had to describe your whole journey in just one word, then what would that be?
Exciting.
So, ma'am, you wear so many hats: a software engineer, a content creator, and an educator. So, which one of these roles best describes the real?
All three, because I explore a lot and then finally I decided that these three industries are the one which I love the most. So all three are very close to my heart.
So, ma'am, most of the engineers choose the tech track, but you have explored different paths. So, was it a conscious decision from the start or something that evolved over time?
I would say it was a conscious decision because from the very beginning I was very all-rounder kid, and that's why I never wanted to confine myself to just sitting in the cubicle and writing code. So it was a conscious decision that I wanted to explore multiple industries.
Ma'am, there is always one big debate that engineers should go for an MBA, a master's in their own field, or choose a different path all around. So, ma'am, based on your own experience, what's your take on it?
Okay, so based on my experience, I have been someone who always believed that after completing like engineering and all, you can grab the highest package possible, and I actually did that. Like I work in a product-based company right now. It's US based. So in my niche, I think doing MBA is not mandatory, but if you quickly want to get into leadership role, then obviously it's a good choice, right? And it depends on the niche you are in. For some of the niches, like if you are in marketing, HR, etc., then obviously doing MBA is like a very good decision. But again, depends on the person, on their like financial condition, if they have that privilege that they can pursue MBA, etc., right? So I would say person to person it depends, and obviously on the domain you are in. So yeah.
So, ma'am, you have built a very strong following on LinkedIn and Instagram as well. So, how has your content creation influenced your professional opportunities?
It has influenced a lot. I mean, I have gotten opportunities which I never knew even exist. Like when I was in college, I used to get emails for developer advocacy internship and all, which at that time I didn't even know that there is something like developer advocacy, right? So to be honest, in my whole career journey, I have got like a bunch of opportunities, be it freelancing project, be it client, or internship. I did a lot of remote internships as well. All those were possible just because I had a good personal brand, especially on LinkedIn. So it has definitely helped my professional journey a lot.
So, ma'am, this is the last question. As someone who mentors and teaches, what's that one skill you think that only an MBA could provide?
One skill that only MBA can provide, I would say, whatever niche you are in, whichever domain you are in, that environment plays a huge role, right? If you want to get into leadership role, if you want to get into good roles, you are targeting the big tech companies, doing MBA is definitely a good decision, right? And you get that right environment which will definitely boost your career. So yeah, that's one thing which MBA definitely provides.
So, thank you, ma'am, for taking the time to talk to us and sharing your valuable insights. We truly appreciate it. Thank you, ma'am.